Hello, I am Eddie Irvin with Software Accelerator Playbook, and today we are talking about step number 4, which is determine levels. Now you can see here we've got 9 steps, all the way from having a software idea with no plan to a completed finalized scope that you can bring to your developer with a clear idea of exactly what you need and nothing that you don't need, which saves time, money, and hassle. Now today we're talking about determining the levels, and what I mean here is the idea of who will be using this software, right? Is it going to be you with your internal team and everybody gets the same access, or will there be a subscriber section and then there will be an administrative section? Sometimes we'll have different levels in a software, like a subscriber and then an administrator, but then there also might be multiple different levels in between there, where maybe you don't want to give somebody all the administrative access, but you want to give them some level of being able to help the customers maybe, but not having the full administrative access to the billing section, for instance. So for this section, we're really clarifying what do you need in order to get this software moving. Now typically we'll see something like 3 levels, where there is level 1 will be the subscriber with the most minimum access. Step 2 is somebody who can help the subscriber but doesn't have full administrative access. And then step 3, that's access to everything to be able to change or modify anything. So as you're going through this section, what you're doing is you're really taking the time to figure out where do people need to have access, why do people need to have access, and how many different types of people need to have access. One thing to consider here is that for level 1, you may want them to be able to even have a level 0 where maybe they're not even logged in and they're able to access some part of the page. Let's say they can access this part, and then past a certain point they can't get underneath there unless they've logged in. So there might actually be another level there, which is level 0, which is not even a subscriber level, but the person who is just testing it out or taking a look at it. And in that way, you're able to kind of tease the idea of what the software is, give some access, give a free trial or even like a free demo without requiring an email. And then also, pushing them towards the idea of, hey, please come sign up. But then you're able to give them a sneak peek of what's inside. So as we go through step number 4, we are really clarifying, exactly what is needed here, and that lays the foundation for how we set up all the data structure later. Next up, we'll be talking about segmenting the data.